Hey Warriors, coming to you live with another training video, and this time I'm going to show you how to make $50 per every 5-minute edit video that you make. I know this may seem foreign to you, but it is something that you can actually start implementing today even if you're not technically savvy. So I'm going to show you how to automate the process of what I'm going to share with you inside of this video. Now, at any time inside of this video, if you have any questions about any other topics that you would like for me to cover, all you got to do is just pop those comments in the comment section of this video, and I will get back to you at a later date, obviously, and create a video around that topic if it's something that I see a lot of other people are asking of. And so that's what I'll do for you. If you're just now watching one of my first videos, this is what I have to let you know. I create videos like this consistently all the time, and what I do is I create tutorials based around different products that are out in the marketplace, and also strategies on how to make money online. So if you would like to learn more about that, learn how to advertise, and gain knowledge from someone that's been in the industry for 9 years and knows a lot of different secrets, and obviously being revealed on this video. So go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel, hit the notification bell, and you will not miss any updates as far as how many videos I come out with on this channel. You'll have instant notifications sent to you on your phone once you hit that notification bell. So going on into this training here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to hop on over into my computer, and I'm going to share with you in detail how you're going to make $50 per every 5-minute edit video that you create. What's the site, where to go, what is the automation tool that you can use to make this happen. Alright, I don't have too long to actually draw this out, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through this tutorial as quickly as possible because there's a lot of little bits and pieces to this training. So the first thing that you have to realize is that, you know, there's people out there that need ads done for their, you know, their Facebook ads or whatever, and then also there's people out there that need nice intros for their videos, or you know, just simple little edits that need to be done to their videos in order for them to, you know, feel like their content is amazing or whatever the case may be. And so you can position yourself to actually get those jobs, and I'm going to show you how to do that through the course of this video. So that's why this video was labeled how to make $50 per every 5-minute edit. It really has to do with editing videos. And that's pretty much it. And I'm going to show you actually an automated tool that allows you to edit stuff without being like, you know, someone that is very good at technical stuff. So if you're not good at technical stuff, this is a really good training here for you today to implement to start making some money by simply following this training. So getting started here, I'm going to show you how to do this in two simple ways. Two simple steps. Okay, the first step is you've got to get on to Fiverr, and we're going to go over to that site here in a second, but I just want to label this out so you can see this clearly before I start going over to the websites, because I know people get confused. So going on over to Fiverr here, and simply what you're going to be doing is you're going to put your listings that you can take care of, whatever service that you're going to be providing, and in this case it is going to be video editing. But there's a variety of different like subcategory niches, such as like promotional video edits, or promotional video, or intro video. You know, these are different listings that you can put on your account here, so you can have more. Things in store for you to start making some money. So you have different job tasks here. So this is Fiverr. And what's connected here is actually, obviously I have editing software, right? Not everybody can use or, start implementing it because it's very technical, editing these videos the way that I do it using Adobe Premiere. And so if you don't want to obviously learn a whole skill of doing Adobe Premiere or using Adobe Premiere, and you want something that's more automated and can be done within seconds, within minutes, then here's what you need to do. And there's a site called, and I'm going to pull it up in a second. It's called FlixPress. Okay, FlixPress. Yeah, let me see. LIX. Alright. FlixPress is a website that allows you to do some editing. You know how I like to have little fancy letters going across the screen and stuff like that. It allows you to edit them. So they have a lot of different templates that you can use to create your video or to do your edits with. And you know, it's nice and neat and different. Like I said, templates, editable templates that you can edit right there on the site, and then you know, obviously have them you know, send you the download link. Boom, and you can download it straight from FlixPress, FlixPress, and you're able to use that video for your clients. And so that's something that you can do quick, easy, 5 minutes. And then the cool thing is on Fiverr you can list it, set up. You know, you have a 24-hour price point. You have a, you know, whatever amount price point with your product. You can list that here, but it has to make sense, right? Because when we start looking at this software that we use, they do start charging for certain amounts of, you know, amount of minutes that you're going to be providing inside of the video. So you have to charge accordingly to where it makes sense for you and also for the customer that you're going to be acquiring through Fiverr. So when you're looking at these different price points, and all I did was I typed in here, if you just video editing, then go over here to the left hand side and go to short video ads, and you can see different jobs that people are posting. I will do short video ads and video editing. I will do short video ads and video editing. You know, these are all, you know, little gigs that people are putting up, and you can see that people are charging $100, $5 an edit, or $10 an edit. But then if you go and dive in, like for example here, you can see that they have different packages on top of that. So like the premium and the standard. Okay, the premium's $500, basics $100, standards $250. So you can add on additional packages to it. You know, it essentially becomes your own funnel where people can actually get edit work and different things like that done. And like I said, it doesn't have to, the way I'm showing you, you don't have to have any technical skills in order to do this, because I realize that a lot of people use like Adobe Premiere and different things like that, and it's very hard to learn at first with the various different keys and what they do on Adobe Premiere. So this is an easier way to do it. But looking on here, you can see the price points people are charging here. If I go to best selling, it's going to show me the best selling gigs. $10, $15, $625, right? So anyways, also you can go through video promotion, there's also several videos, like several gigs here you can take a look at and mimic yourself. And so, you know, going from there, you got to pick the most popular, and then obviously something that's going to be worth charging for, you know, whatever amount that is. Because whenever we hop over to this site right here, you're going to notice that the samples and everything, it does add up whenever you start looking at the price point. But you know, this is a business. Like I said, again, you can definitely flip this because the price points here are not as much as what you're going to be charging on Fiverr. And so when you go down here to, if you go to FlixPress.com, you're going to see different templates here. And on these templates, you can replay. Here's another one. Some of these are like details. I'm not gonna lie, like some of these are cheesy, but then you do find some good ones in here, like this one here. Stuff like that. Like you wanna do that for like maybe an SEO company or whatever, or you know, law firm or something like that. Anyways, they have a lot of different videos here, different templates. I mean, this is pages and pages of templates. You're not gonna run out of templates to use here. with this program. And so that's what it is. And then this is just the price of what it what it actually is. And so like the free, obviously at first you're gonna get 2 minutes free, right? But if you notice that a lot of these videos are like 1 minute edits, some of them up to 5 minute edits, some might probably even more than that. But if you can see, if you look at this right here, it says $3.49 for a month, and you get 10 minutes of edits. And let's say that you get 5 sales. Yeah, 5 sales with like maybe like 1 minute edit videos or whatever. Those 5 sales can be $50 in your pocket, right? That can be $50 in your pocket, or even $25 in your pocket. Do you think out of that $25 you'll have enough to pay this $3.49 a month? Of course, right? So same thing goes, like obviously you're gonna want to upgrade, boom, to $19.99 a month. You could do that with the first sale that you make, but in reality, is like a lot of people will wait until they start making some some money here and max out this 10 minutes, then upgrade, and just go down the ladder, because this is nothing. This is peanuts compared to how much you're making per video that you're editing and putting on Fiverr here. So, with that being said, folks, this is a solid strategy if you want to use this site, FlixPress, plus Fiverr.com. Become a seller on Fiverr.com. Very simple and easy to do. It's right here. Follow the steps, and then start making some listings. And then from that point on, also you want to start thinking out even further. Just giving you some more tips to how to expand this thing. You need to go on to Upwork.com, and you start hiring people to do this for you in a way that it makes sense. If you know that you're profiting 35% right now, then you can give them 10%, and whatever that is, 10% to your team. And so, just gotta crunch some numbers and start hiring people so you can automate this, because what you want is passive income with this. And so, this is the way to do it without you being in the picture. So anyways, with that being said, hope you enjoyed this training video today. If you liked it, go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel. I come out with video tutorials like this all the time, giving you the latest and greatest ways to make money online, not just your standard go to ClickBank and make money, or go to Amazon.com to make money online. I cover a variety of different ways to make money online that are a lot of out of the box thinking ways. So anyways, with that being said, you guys take care, and I will see you at the top.